हेलो दोस्तों, तो कैसे हैं आप सभी। उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप सभी ठीक होंगे। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं करंट अफेयर्स 2025 एमसीक्यूज के बारे में। बिना टाइम ज़ाया किए आज का वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। विच कंट्री हैज़ रिसेंटली सस्पेंडेड कोऑपरेशन विद द इंटरनेशनल एटॉमिक एनर्जी एजेंसी IAEA? ए अमेरिका, बी इसराइल, सी यूक्रेन, डी ईरान। आंसर ऑप्शन डी, ईरान। Question number 2. In the Global Peace Index 2025, India is ranked at what position globally? A. 95th, B. 100th, C. 110th, D. 115th. Answer option D, 115th. Question number 3. The Asian Development Bank ADB has announced an economic package of $2.3 billion for which country? A. India, B. Pakistan, C. Bangladesh, D. Nepal. Answer option D, Nepal. Question number 4. Which state government has recognized the transgender community as a socially and educationally backward class? A. Meghalaya, B. Assam, C. Manipur, D. Madhya Pradesh. Answer option D, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 5. Which operation was launched by India to evacuate Indian nationals from Iran? A. Operation Ganga, B. Operation Sindhu, C. Operation Shakti, D. Operation Prachanda. Answer option B, Operation Sindhu. Question number 6. Where will India's first quantum computing valley will be launched by January 2026? A. Hyderabad, B. Bengaluru, C. Amaravati, D. New Delhi. Answer option C, Amaravati. Question number 7. Which country awarded the prestigious Bloomberg Philanthropies Award in the O category for global tobacco control? A. Nepal, B. India, C. Bangladesh, D. Pakistan. Answer option B, India. Question number 8. Under which operation did India attack terrorist bases in Pakistan on 7th of May 2025? A. Operation Bandar, B. Operation Vijay, C. Operation Sindoor, D. Operation Meghdoot. Answer option C, Operation Sindoor. Question number 9. Who retired from international test cricket recently? A. Rohit Sharma, B. Virat Kohli, C. Both and B, D. Rishabh Pant. Answer option C, both and B, that is Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. Question number 10. Who was appointed as the 52nd Chief Justice of India CJI on 14th May 2025? A. D.Y. Chandrachand, B. Deepak Mishra, C. B.R. Gawai, D. Sanjeev Khanna. Answer option C, B.R. Gawai. Question number 11. Operation Sindoor was carried out in response to which incident? A. Uri attack, B. Pahalgam terror attack, C. Mumbai attack, D. Pulwama attack. Answer option B, Pahalgam terror attack. Question number 12. Which is the 43rd UNESCO World Heritage Site in India? A. Shantiniketan, B. Dholavariya, C. Moidamus, D. Kakatiya Rudrishwara. Answer option C, Moidamus. Question number 13. Who is the current Chancellor of Germany? A. Angela Merkel. B. Olaf Scholz. C. Friedrich Merz. D. Helmut Kohl. Answer option C. Friedrich Merz. Question number 14. What missiles were used during Operation Sindoor? A. Scallop missile. B. Hammer missile. C. Kamikaze drones. D. All of the above. Answer option D. All of the above. Question number 15. Who has been appointed as the chairman of SEBI in February 2025? A. Tohin Kanta Pandey. B. Mani Shankar. C. Jatendra Kumar. D. Balbir Singh. Answer option A. Tohin Kanta Pandey. Question number 16. When did Operation Sindoor start? A. May 4, 2025. B. May 7, 2025. C. May 8, 2025. D. May 10, 2025. Answer option B. May 7, 2025. Question number 17. What was the total number of river dolphins found in India's first river dolphin population survey? A. 5,798. B. 6,327. C. 8,745. D. 3,098. Answer option B. 6,327. Question number 18. Which Indian cities were recently included in the list of wetland cities under the Ramsar Convention? A. Jaipur and Bhopal. B. Ahmedabad and Kolkata. C. Indore and Udaipur. D. Bhopal and Jaisalmer. Answer option C. Indore and Udaipur. Question number 19. Who has been appointed as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner in February 2025? A. Rajiv Kumar. B. Vivek Joshi. C. Ganesh Kumar. D. Sukhbir Singh Sandhu. Answer option C. Ganesh Kumar. Question number 20. Mark Carney became the new Prime Minister of which country? A. Brazil. B. Mexico. C. Canada. D. USA. Answer option C. Canada. Question number 21. When did the Pahalgam terror attack happen? A. April 4th, 2025. B. May 7th, 2025. C. April 18th, 2025. D. April 22nd, 2025. Answer option D. April 22nd, 2025. Question number 22. Which has become the country's first ADM train? A. Rajdhani Express. B. Vande Bharat Express. C. Panchvati Express. D. Tejas Express. Answer option C. Panchvati Express. Question number 23. Who is the current Foreign Secretary of India? A. V.M. Quatra. B. H.V. Shringala. C. Vikram Misri. D. S. Jaishankar. Answer option C. Vikram Misri. Question number 24. Which fighter jets are used in the operation in Sindoor? A. Tejas. B. Rafale. C. Sukhoi. D. MiG-29. Answer option B. Rafale. Question number 25. Who became the new Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? A. Rishi Sunak. B. Liz Truss. C. Keir Starmer. D. Boris Johnson. आंसर ऑप्शन सी कीर स्टारमर। Question number 26. How many tiger reserves are there in India as of March 2025? A. 50, B. 55, C. 58, D. 65. Answer option C 58. Question number 27. Where was the 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held? A. Bhutan, B. Thailand, C. Sri Lanka, D. Indonesia. Answer option B Thailand. Question number 28. Madhyav National Park, the 58th Tiger Reserve of India, is located in which state? A. Karnataka, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Gujarat, D. West Bengal. Answer option B Madhya Pradesh. Question number 29. Where did PM Narendra Modi lead the biggest yoga event on the occasion of the 11th International Yoga Day? A. New Delhi, B. Hyderabad, C. Visakhapatnam, D. Ahmedabad. Answer option C Visakhapatnam. Question number 30. In which country has the Asian Para Badminton Championship been organized recently? A. India, B. China, C. Japan, D. Thailand. Answer option D Thailand. Question number 31. Where was India's first hydrogen powered bus commercial service being launched recently? A. Punjab, B. Ladakh, C. Kashmir, D. Uttarakhand. Answer option B Ladakh. Question number 32. On which date was the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking celebrated by the Government of India? A. 25th June, B. 26th June, C. 27th June, D. 28th June. Answer option B 26th June. Question number 33. PM Narendra Modi has been awarded the highest civilian honor, Grand Cross of the Order of Macros III, by which country? A. Canada, B. Italy, C. Cyprus, D. Ukraine. Answer option C Cyprus. Question number 34. Which country has recently joined BRICS as a partner country? A. Sweden, B. Turkey, C. Nigeria, D. Vietnam. Answer option D Vietnam. Question number 35. Under which operation has CBI busted accounts linked to cybercrime and digital arrest scam? A. Operation Behali, B. Operation Sindoor, C. Operation Internet, D. Operation Chakra. Answer option D Operation Chakra. Question number 36. Where did Bhupendra Yadav chair the first International Big Cat Alliance meeting? A. New Delhi, B. Hyderabad, C. Ladakh, D. Bhopal. Answer option A New Delhi. Question number 37. How many newly appointed UP police constables received appointment letters from Home Minister Amit Shah in Lucknow? A. 40,288, B. 45,528, C. 50,448, D. 60,244. Answer option D 60,244. Question number 38. Who has written the recently published book Ambedkar Ke Sandesh? A. D.S. Veria, B. Sundar Mehta, C. Pankaj Tyagi, D. Suman Deshmukh. Answer option A D.S. Veria. क्वेश्चन नंबर 39. To which country has India banned the export of rare earth minerals? A. Japan. B. China. C. Russia. D. Britain. Answer option A. Japan. Question number 40. How many nurses have been awarded the Florence Nightingale Award 2025 by President Draupadi Murmu? A. 8. B. 10. C. 12. D. 15. Answer option D. 15. Question number 41. India recently exported the first batch of rose-scented lychees from Pathankot to which country? A. Kuwait. B. Qatar. C. Saudi Arabia. D. UAE. Answer option B. Qatar. Question number 42. In which state has the Rajiv Gandhi Forest Conservation Scheme been recently started? A. Rajasthan. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Jharkhand. D. Himachal Pradesh. Answer option D. Himachal Pradesh. Question number 43. Which country invaded Russia under Operation Spiderweb? A. America. B. Britain. C. Ukraine. D. China. Answer option C. Ukraine. Question number 44. Which country has recently become the first to shoot down an enemy's country's drone with a laser weapon? A. India. B. Israel. C. America. D. Russia. Answer option B. Israel. Question number 45. Which state has made e-attendance mandatory for teachers on the Hamari Shikshak digital platform? A. Jharkhand. B. Goa. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Odisha. Answer option C. Madhya Pradesh. Question number 46. Where did PM Narendra Modi chair the 47th annual meeting of the Prime Minister's Museum and Library? A. Jaipur. B. New Delhi. C. Visakhapatnam. D. Lucknow. Answer option B. New Delhi. Question number 47. How many nurses have been awarded the Florence Nightingale Award 2025 by the President Draupadi Murmu? ये क्वेश्चन जो है ये फिर से रिपीट हो गया। इस क्वेश्चन का जो सही आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन डी 15। क्वेश्चन नंबर 48. टू विच कंट्री हैज इंडिया बैनर द एक्सपोर्ट ऑफ रेयर अर्थ मिनरल्स? ये क्वेश्चन भी है, ये भी रिपीट हो गया है। इसका जो सही आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन ए जापान। क्वेश्चन नंबर 49. हु हैज रिटन द रिसेंटली पब्लिश्ड बुक अंबेडकर के संदेश? ये क्वेश्चन भी रिपीट हो गया है। इसका जो सही आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन ए DS वरिया। आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर आज का वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल में नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।